Oh, that's very, very sensitive. I barely like tapped this with the bottom of the string, I mean the wire, and it made like a noise in the headphones. I was like, what the? Right now on this video, I'm testing out a new microphone. So I'm like messing with this, adjusting it, and I'm gonna look it over and see how it sounds. All that good stuff. And I also got a mouse. I hear this little lighting up on. I thought it was USB, but it has a wire, so it's alright. It'll do. It will do the do. Let me grab my notes real quick. I'm not talking about like on my phone. I'm talking about actual notes, written notes. Actual notes. Written notes. Written composition. So this is what I was working. This is actual written notes. Let's see. Range in market. Ranging market. Right? Whatever it's called. I was understanding it. Yeah. That's what I'm working on right now. Let's see. So higher time frame. See, this was from earlier. Key points. See, it did exactly like what I had expected it to do. I had got off though, like when I was like, it was like around over here. And I jumped off and I had to go run some errands. And now coming back to the chart, it shows exactly what like I'd expected it to do, was to mess around down here, come back up to this key point over here, this line. And just boom. Hit this key point again, boom, and it hit that. So it probably might just hit this key point and go back up. So let's mark that. These lines over here were because I was trying to make entries at a smaller time frame. That's why I had these little lines, trend line. Because check this out. You go to like a smaller time frame and see these patterns right here. What it was doing sideways market. That's what it was doing right here. Boom, boom. I was watching that, killed that, and then went boom. So it's like a smaller version of like the 15-minute. You know what I'm saying? Just more at a higher frequency. So you could smack on trades right here. You just have to watch this level. Like, see this pullback right here. Pullback right here. Pullback right here. You take entry right here where you start seeing it reverse. Boom. And then catch that right here. And then it goes into a sideways market. But right here, so remember 15-minute was these key point zones. So if we do like, let's say 30, 45 minutes, and let's just do the rest of this demo count balance. See, that's like a signal right there that it's going. I don't know. It's just losing its oomph. We even look at it as a smaller time frame. It's making these right here. So 15 minutes. Would assume that it's gonna hit this key point area right here and just bounce back up. But it could test it a couple times like that, how it did boom, boom, boom. And over here, like previously did, tested it twice. Up here, tested it twice. Up, up. Tested that. Right here, it tested it. Oh, it passed it. Boom, went out here. But if it goes any more past that, it's probably might hit this key zone. Like this, boom. That's also somewhat of like a key zone because it touched over here. I mean, it like went all the way down. But that's just early. I'm not worried about that like brutally. I'm worried about this key zones. So we can move this aside. So we're gonna want to get in. Well, we're already in, but this is where we're gonna want to see it. See, that's a good sign right there, but it could do one of these, and then continue to go back. But it looks like it's dying in momentum right here, like so it might just reverse and then boom, hit this key level. This is the level we're aiming for. Look, this part right here. This area. It's a boom. Oh, yeah. So we'll see about that. We'll see where that goes. See, that's kind of good signs right there. This is on minute chart right here. We placed 45 minutes, and this is that on a 15-minute chart. So hopefully it closes out into a green candle going up with the wick barely, like, I don't know, just a reversal. After this one closes out, I'm just going to end the video because I want to hear how the audio sounds using this microphone. Could do that where it goes boom, 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 where it tests this line, comes back, tests this area, and then shoots back up. Oh, excuse me. But I don't know. Hopefully, you could explain like where my thoughts are in this, all of, like the layout. This is what's in my training course. Like I took notes on all this, so that's why I'm utilizing the demo account so I could practice before I make another deposit and blow it off. Like I have yet to actually withdraw successfully. Like make a like be profitable. I have made like I've made profits, but I didn't have the discipline to stop when I was up. Same old, same old. It's like I just paid for the knowledge, though. Paid for the, you know. So out of that 1,500, I've gained a lot, and mentally, not only on the charts, but like about myself and everything, and meaning, purpose, and you know. It's a good sign right there. At a minute. See, looking at it with this time frame, you could tell. I mean, you could actually like make entries right here for like 3 minutes because the momentum of these candles look like it's gonna hit up to at least up here and then pull back again, and then so that's my guesstimation, like guessing off of analytics, is that it'll hit this line, this key point, go back down, so like hit this, and probably just be like zigzag up with these key points, like gradually hitting the support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance type stuff, like all the way up. This the next one turns into the next one, like let's see. like the resistance level. So the support level, it bounces off the support level, goes up and hits the resistance level, but it ends up actually passing the resistance level, making that a new support level. So that support level, it, after it hits that, makes a new support level, it's going to go and bounce up and create a new resistance level that it'll like ricochet off of, and then do a price reversal down to the support and then up back past that resistance. And that is what a trend is. From my understanding, there's multiple like sources of content creators and analytical experts that have different perspectives, but from what I've been taught and studied on from multiple influencers, I have gained that knowledge of my own understanding. You know what I'm saying? That's with anything. So could use that. Got some CBD from the shop. Yeah, but could literally just watch it and see how it plays out. So if this is like I think it is reverse and an uptrend, reversal into an uptrend to hit this key point up here, it's gonna make in this within this minute, it'll make new support and resistances is up and down, you know. So boom, right here, down, touch this area, go up, boom, and touch this area, boom, go up, down, touch this area. So it could be like more a little bit down here, because it's not just gonna freaking shoot up like brutally, like these strong ones right here, like that's good, but it's not gonna make a whole drastic movement just like that. That's why you time it. You time it if you're looking at 10, 15-minute charts. You pace like 30, 45-minute trades, and then when you lower the time frame, you time it right to catch those. So I'll probably hit this area, resist off it like I did over here, hit the area, resist a little, boom, boom, boom. See exactly what I had said. See, now we're at a 15. Then we went to a smaller time frame, 15 seconds, and how it goes, and it's making its boom, 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 upwards, making its resistance, support levels, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna hit this, go up. If I had like, that should top up. Like, let's see. I want to do something small, so it's like could scale up, like, because I'm realistically thinking about how I be trading recently, because I'm not a baller. Got a ball on a budget. Hit this level, went up. It's gonna make a new resistance. Ooh, see that? That's why high frequency trading is very risky and a high potential loss. So I was too busy trying to reconfigure my timing and my thing that I totally didn't keep in mind that I could have entered in the wrong time. So wait for it to touch back down to a support level where boom. Like right there, probably could have placed one down because this is making a resistance level right here. Probably, most likely. If not, then I lied. And I suck at life. See what I said? I do suck at life. That's why you utilize demo account. Because that would have crushed my little heart. Okay. Scale up. See my 40. That's how you lose a lot of money because by trying to high frequency trade this times, I should have did 15 seconds. I could do a minute or 2 minute trade. It's coming back down, resisting. I'll go up. Oh my god! It says 15 seconds. It's supposed to be a minute. Oh, it was a minute. 2 minutes. It's all about timing. Right there, I think I timed it wrong because I should have waited for it to resist more. I mean, hit more down on this support level down here. It's just finding the right entry, like the timing it right, analyzing this market structure, seeing when it goes back down and touches the level. Pull out my notes while I wait. Usually, like to wait. When I wait, I mean, can't just keep my head. I mean, I do that a lot. Was where I just stare at the chart, to stare at each candle going, stare at each candle, and that's kind of good because if you watch your candles and you see that it's definitely going to lose, you could reverse it and like kind of like still get a payout even though, but you would have to bet like double what you just made. Like right there, I just got shorted out the last second. That shit irks me. I just spiked down, boom. So this is the key level. This down here, this would be a key level. Up here. But it's going upward like a, I want to say channel, but it's a trend going upward. You could create a channel by throwing a trend line right here. And this helps you with your timing as well. Timing trade. Because you would assume that it's gonna boom, boom, boom. This is where it's hitting the most. So I don't care if it's breaking structure right here. It's hitting these lines. Boom, 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 3 times. That's when it breaks structure and goes up past it. Right here, this red one, this red one. "45 seconds." That just broke structure again, like right here, that trend. That's what, hard to like analyze. That's probably like just like a double top right there, like a small double top in that at a smaller time frame. But 15-minute wise, it's looking like it's still in there. See, because we entered that one way, way down here in this key zone. And it's pretty definite. Like, it would have to make a drastic ass drop within this, what is this, another 15, 20 minutes. That's how, let's see. It could be creating like a channel. Something like that. See that? I would assume that it's gonna go up from there. Test this key zone. And reverse from it. I just want this trade to close out already. I want to test. I want to hear how the mic sounds. It was a good Red Bull. Phases of the market. That's what I'm reading. All that mumbo jumbo right there. That's all that action that has been within that. You know what I'm saying? In comparison, it's creating a sideways market right here. Sideways market, probably like little consolidation or accumulation, whatever. And it'll probably just go right back, boom, shoot up. Boom, 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 boom. And you try to look at these right here. These, this, this. Big brain shit right here. I know. Gotta be patient. That's probably how I lose all my money too, because I've been doing way too high frequency. Anything below 15-second trades are just freaking like, I feel like it'd be just like, that's where I get caught up and lose the most. Really high frequency trades, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5-second trade. Ugh. That's where I lose it all. That's where like you think you could come up real fast and then you take a couple losses and you just barely walk out away. This is our entry right here. This is our exit over here. So, so far it looks really good. Looks really good, honestly. Like, it looks really good. Like I had did pretty much what I was supposed to do. The only retarded thing that I did was when I had went to a higher time frame. I mean, lower time frame, and I tried making those $5 moves. These ones. These ones. That was just dumb. Like that. I was just testing it out. I mean, when it comes to demo accounts, it's okay to make dumb moves. It's when you go live and you're playing with real money, like can't play. You have to, you know what I'm saying? You have to know, be certain, be more certain, be more definite. That's where I'm learning to like have the discipline to have place more logical trades to gain max leverage. You know, like it's very tough. Like because you can make like I've made 52% turnover on live account, but I have not made a profitable. Like I haven't made a withdrawal. All the times that I had came up, I blew my account trying to make it, like trying to, because I would take a loss or two, and then I'll let emotions get to me and start trading off of emotions instead of analytics. And now I'm waking up to that and realizing that I need to have the patience to be more definite, be more certain, be more consistent instead of like just blowing my account time and time again. Frustrated time and time again. Angry. Freaking like you just want to just punch your laptop, close it, break it in half, throw it out the window, and yeah, that angry. Like I've already went through the emotions of just super angry when I'll lose it, and I just want to remember that feeling so I don't go back to it. So so I don't feel that feeling again of losing out and having to make another whole $100 deposit, $50 deposit, $20 deposit, $50 deposit, $200 deposit, $100 deposit, time after time again. And believe me, all those add up. All of those losses add up, just as well as your wins. Your wins, that's where you get your turnover rate from, and your annual like what is it called? Um, like your trading history. What is it called? Like your turnover rate. Yeah, exactly. Exactly your turnover rate percentage. You know, what I'm saying how much it kind of seen. Like mine is over 22,000 has been fluctuated inside of my account live through wins and losses. You know, like once I had gained profits, I should have just started bidding with like the most smallest amount and scale up, and then still bid like smallest percent, but be more definite and certain of my actions. Like this entry, like me seeing that, like how that is just confirming exactly what I studied. Like just I made I made the what is it called? So you got the notes. 'Cause forget. You got the resistance line, support line. You know, so this is raging market, whatever. Could be like a squeeze, but I'm not too like really well on differentiating. Like I just know like this probably just the middle price where it closes out right here, has touches this candle right here. That's probably middle price. So I would touch and test right here, went back up, middle price, touch right here, closed out. It played around right here, went up. Key point, key point right here on this is the key point on your resistance level. Came back down. Tested to this. Middle price. Because actually, I think this is going to be like one of those wedges. Because if you see this trend right here, boom, and you look at this trend, it's like goes into a wedge. So it's either going to shoot back all the way up or shoot down from that wedge. I have notes on wedges too, so let me turn to those pages. Okay. Trend lines converge. So let me put that on here. Trend lines converge, see that? I lost out on that one at the very last second. That's funny, but oh well. I'm learning off of this exactly. This is exactly what you do. This is learning process, trusting the process. Let's go. So, yep. As the price progresses through the pattern, it's declining in value. A breakout from the trend lines. Boom. See that? Two forms of the wedge patterns are rising wedges, which signals a bearish reversal. That's exactly this right here. Boom. Or a falling wedge, which signals a bullish reversal. So this is the bearish reversal. Rising wedge, vice versa would be bullish, would be a falling wedge. Yeah. So rising wedge occurs when structure's price has been rising over time, but it can also occur in the midst of a downward trend as well. Yeah, so price has been rising. If we look at the higher time frame, price was rising. Right. $15 minutes. Price was rising. See, price rising at 15 minutes. Boom. We're not, this is a small, tiny increment we're looking at a smaller time frame. But overall, within 15 minutes, the trend is upwards. See that? Overall, the trend is upwards. It's just so difficult, but because it went and it broke out. Signals has been rising over value, but also can occur when the midst of falling wedge. Once the trend lines converge, anticipate a reversal and break in the opposite lines of the trends. So that's what it did. They wedged together. What it did right here is when it wedged together, this boom, 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 that's just boom, wedged together. It had reversed right here, boom. I could have timed an entry right here. Came down, tested this key point, and shot back up. Trying just to understand all this, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing right now, studying. So I'm gonna get off, check out how my mic sounds on the video, and yeah. Peace.